Hi everyone! Tonight we're going to be fixing a pierogi pepperoni pizza casserole. So what all goes into pierogi pepperoni pizza casserole? 2 16-ounce packages of frozen pierogies, any cheese and potato flavor. I have the 4-cheese medley. 2 cups pizza sauce divided, 2 ounces of pepperoni slices divided, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese divided, and any other pizza ingredients that you would like to add. I'm going to be adding green pepper, red onion, and mushrooms. So let's begin. So the first thing we want to do is get a big pot and bring it to a boil. And then while it's boiling, we'll go ahead and add the pierogi. And while we're waiting for the water to boil, we'll go ahead and take a 9x13 pan and spray it with cooking spray so the casserole will not stick. And I'll go ahead and cut up the vegetables. Okay, so the water is boiling now, so we'll add our pierogi. And in case anybody that don't know what a pierogi is, this is a pierogi. It has cheese and potato in it. And this has 4 different types of cheeses in it. And we'll go ahead and just dump that in there, making a mess all over the place. And you want to go ahead and boil it for 5 to 7 minutes if it is the regular size. And if it's the minis, you just want to boil it for 3 to 5 minutes. And while that's boiling, we'll go ahead and preheat our oven to 375. The pierogies have been boiling for 7 minutes, so we'll go ahead and drain them in the colander. So you want to go ahead and put 2/3 cups of the pizza sauce on the bottom of the pan and spread it out. And then you want to go ahead and put a layer, a little hot pierogies in the pan. Ouch. And then you want to go ahead and put another 2/3 cup over the pierogies of the pizza sauce. And spread that. And you want to put 1 ounce of pepperonis on top of the sauce. And if you're adding other pizza ingredients, now's the time to go ahead and put them on there. So I'm going to put some green pepper. Some red onion. And some mushrooms. And you can use whatever ingredients you want, or you can just do the pepperoni, or even just go ahead and forget the pepperoni and just do the cheese if you'd like. And then we'll go ahead and add 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. And then do it all over again with the sauce. And that's 2/3 cup. And spread that a little bit. And a layer of the pierogies. They're a little bit cooler now. And another 2/3 cup pizza sauce. And spread it around. Another ounce of pepperoni. And more of your other pizza ingredients. The green peppers. The red onions. The mushrooms. And 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, or more if you'd like it really cheesy. Okay, so it is ready to go into the 375-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is all melty and the sauce is bubbly. So here it is, fresh out of the oven. It does need to rest for 10 minutes before we can serve it up. Alright, so here is the Pierogi Pepperoni Pizza Casserole, and rounding out the meal is ciabatta bread and kale pecan cranberry salad. So let's get my husband to go ahead and give it a taste test.
Yeah, it's really good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.